Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Natalie here from Stand Up Woman and Natalie's Table, gifts that make your heart smile. Well, I'm just dropping in to show you guys what I did with the coffee mugs or tea mugs I got from my Burlington haul. If you guys haven't seen that haul, the Burlington haul with the ceramic white and gold mugs from Burlington, I'm just here to show you. I came on to show you guys the gifts I created with them because I'm heading on out. So I'm just dropping in again to show you a quick short video of the gifts I created with them. Okay, I have them already packaged, so I will just let you guys know what I placed in them. This is one of the mugs here that says coffee is always a good idea. And in this bag I placed the glitter tissue paper. And here I place one of these sets that you can see, the Ultra Plush socks and foot cream. And I find it goes so well with this mug. I mean, everything, the colors, the gold and white, or gold and off-white, and the sparkle. So everything came together really nicely. And behind, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have a gold and white journal with the gold pen. That's also in one of my hauls as well. And I placed a bow, and of course I did cover it up with a tissue. And I don't know if you guys could, let me see if I can. Yeah, I have it sealed up in there. Okay, but this is one. And this is the second one that says Merry Christmas. This is also porcelain, white and gold. In this one I just placed socks and 2 Rocher chocolates and a hand cream, and here is one of the journals here as well with the pen. So I placed that together with this one. And this journal came with a card. So what I did, I put it on the outside so that the my customer, whoever purchased this gift, the card is on the back so they can fill out the card and then give the gift to the recipient. Okay, so that's how I did this one. I don't want that to tip over. And again, here is another one that says coffee is always a good idea. So I made it the same concept, same items, but the journal it's black and gold with the gold pen. So this is how these turned out, guys, and I'm very happy and satisfied with how they turn out. And again, these mugs, I purchased these at Burlington. The bags came from Amazon. The foot set also came from Burlington. And of course, the ribbons came from Sam's Club. These ribbons here came from Costco. And here we have it, guys. Simple but elegant grab-and-go gifts you can place on your table at your holiday festivals that you have coming up. So here you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to ask any questions and leave a comment below. And also, I would like to thank all of my subscribers again and my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel and sticking and staying with me. This is Natalie, and I'd like to say thank you all and have a blessed and prosperous and thankful Thursday. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.